yamamo akwaba afi tumrike ne hia yen e wo Facebook no so a na ye DLFM 106.9 yemfa kasebo no enchiremu no emfa ensemo yensha kasebo na se emfremfri apiementem a arahosam a abetodi ye kasebo pono so echirim se ne enkranhye bra ne biasi e wo kofodua ne potem mekire eya dukrum kwantempon no so e wo nkrabopure mantem kwantempon no so a ema penfo baako yankopon faafie ene abofra baako de nyame anim nie enya de a atoye nkyam na isi ye no ebi ka won ma yankopon na faafie ankene anka yente asempa kwa ne nyane se eto weta hesi bia na efri ahyaman ene nde akiremu e wo dukrum kwantempon so ekokofodua ene kodu mine 44 e wo kofodua eya dukrum kwantempon so na ekai etime kwakwenye nkwanhia na Toyota hesi ne registration number no eye GT 5160-17 na esu nipa mako edunum 15 passengers na mote kesene e ka ni mo efri ahyaman ene de na kiremu e wo kofodua ne edwadai dwembo so na toso mienu ene nkwanhia na si ateseka no efri ne kwan so a ekwakoto ede ahye nwure mu amekese no ekwakwaya rohesem ye pam na nipa ohu de si nyina bo amane na wo kirem se mna nkwanhia ni si ye no nipa be na prepare biom de da sese no emode nye pam na man nkwanhia ni si ye na yade apie mantem suafo reta ekwesi awrate na so nam kwantempon so na otu kwan ede na nde akiremu o duma se kopie bo no homaden eboaye eyi sika se nipa mo prepare mo moden kopie mu ayasabia na doctor for entim mo ho ban na wonom enkwa entimekita wonom pam na nka na kiremu se personals o mo frɛ ye motor transport and traffic the eye directorate me kire MTT the for kopie mu a wamade atumi aboa eyi ka ne de asifo mekese nipa mo prepare no so ma kopie mu ayasabia wonom epre wonom kwa na yenkotie na wodo betwagu man kwanhia no esi ye ewa dukrum empotem honom
DLFM.
Enti eni ahodo etwaguo no eyemra nkwanhia bra na ene esi ye eyeka elodi efri ashaman edna ni de akiremu ekofodu ye kokoduru mile 44 ewo ye kofodua ene adukrum kwantempon no so no ena kwakwaye nkwanhia ma de hwom mu no wodmo prepare mu odempa emu kiremu ena yede asomna ba Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 se de kan da anyatim keja no awre hopa o ni pa frika ni mu piepie pa Ghana da bene o mai mu bedwo hwe se de kan na ye eda hotim keja hwe ena nipa ebi pre o mo nkwa gidigidi efri mu apie yede nyame ase se obi ahwere ne nkwa yempa abo nyina no sika yenko yanim
Yantua Kasiabone se no man penny John Dramani Mahama ashe Ministry for Roads and Highways se omomodiano hwe hiade a hu behia omudi besie ya ma bango so highway no de sanhye ye tu dwa ewa bra okoni thank you to ewa ye go so memne ndakoto ni mabosom ni de to so ye aduasa baako ewa mfimpi mienu ene aduonu num ni ma oche se opesa akwantu ho nsem enkoso ye ewa ye hafomantanim sanso ana osisi dua bio se ya de adwadie ho nsam so no ebetimi akoso ye ewa eye go so ne eye ne important mu no chema ye project abanda da no ntimi anye no omabe de ya de omoba beto aso no matimi aye ni nesan se omu ntimi nka so omu uja honom na chesa aban fofra sa abaye omabe de ya de ombebo modian etimi aye into omo hye ye Ministry of Roads and Highways omo modian asama aban eye go so highway no ombetimi awie no ntempa so din sem say editudwa.
Our development strategy is anchored in continuity and completion. We will not abandon projects that were begun by the past government. We are here to finish what we started and to build what is needed. And so we've undertaken an inventory of all abandoned and uncompleted projects that have been done by all previous governments. And we'll soon have contractors back at work in order that the taxpayers' money can be fully utilized. I've directed the Ministry of Roads and Highways to prioritize the completion of the Maban-Goso Highway. This is a crucial link for mobility and trade across the region, in addition to the urban roads in Goso, Kenyase, and Achirensua. These town roads will be upgraded to support urban growth and improve transport safety. And as part of the NDC's flagship Big Push infrastructure program, we will deliver on the following roads that we have targeted.
Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama.
Yantu akasebo no so ne yenkoso anyira mu Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama enedua yada odesem ede atwudwa echiremu a efitirimra odi gold board ede baye no aboa pa moman Ghana efum agudie tu niam yankopa ya adoma niam akwana ni moman Ghana yetimenya sika botene 2.7 billion US dollars a sasika we ya hyasensa kaye efri opepombo sme ebebedo fuluso busum ni mu a Ghana yakoya ni mu ye pa ni nyina da efri eye adwumaku a dia eda wono so eye Precious Minerals Marketing Company dia ye twanity aka ne se PMMC a eno eye gold board no na hweso ani ma ekwanka ne ye pam Ghana mampani eka se mu ana wo kire mi sem efitiri ma eye make se no Ghana ni wiase afa na nyina no emno den 72 dwa Global Mining Summit ano dwumadi a to dwa wa na dwata dwumbo smeda tosumi na Ghana mampani e kire mi sem wo hwa sa gold board no de bae na aboa pa ma na Ghana make se no kwan wo de fa so tufu magudie no niama ekwanka yoman Ghana so nya sika firi mu a oman ye koyanem e womponto mu Ghana mampani ka se mu na wo kire mi sem ogukua ebo adwumaden so obehwe aboa emma nipa bi omonam kwati kwan so a wonom etufu magudie no mo se oman Ghana yensa ase no obetumi atomu nyina ase oman Ghana efu magudie no ababa ye kra behwe Ghana mampani echi ntomu guso ade mapa egu akwa ma boa ma Ghana ekwana efeso etufu magudie na boa ma Ghana sika sem so akona nim ode nsem sei etudwa.
The gold board, a key plank in my administration strategy to reform the gold mining sector and ensure maximum benefits for Ghanaians from our gold resources, has taken off. In its short existence, it has sanitized the gold sector, ensuring maximum returns from our gold exports. Ghana's gold exports earned the country 2.7 billion. Ghana's gold exports through the PMMC and the Gold Board earned the country $2.7 billion between January and April. And this figure is expected to increase exponentially throughout the year. But the Gold Board is not only about exporting gold. It will soon roll out a track and trace system to ensure that Ghana's gold exports are procured from environmentally sustainable sources. The Gold Board will work to train artisanal and small-scale miners in responsible and sustainable mining practices.
Enwachi ena Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama kasemo ena wasan echiremu a yenka nkyere Ghana fo nyina se na ban na aba no ogusi na mapa egu ekwa wabeboa pa mbefuma agudi etuo no etimi aya kwano pa Ghana mampanin echiremu sem ye hwe na nim se ba wabai obaso bebo ma Ghana etimi atumpon na fantoma pa de afranti hihye pa de ba beboa pa mbefuma agudi etuo aya kwano no oma Ghana bebo yensem ede manifise anya de obetena ase ahwe ma Ghana efuma agudi etuo abese yensa ase ene akwaye.
Mining contributes substantially to our GDP, to our foreign exchange and employment, but I must say it has not transformed the lives of our citizens as it should. And so we must ask ourselves the hard question: why does the wealth beneath our feet not translate into prosperity above ground? A major reason is our extractive structure. We export raw materials, raw minerals, and we import finished product. But the real value, which is jobs, technology, and revenue, is captured elsewhere. My administration is committed to moving beyond extraction to transformation. And this means that we'll be investing in the downstream industry of the mineral value chain.
Ne kura mo no ena Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama o chiremu a enipa bi no mo a wonum nam kwati kwan so etu efuma agudi a wonum se yensa ase yenso ene akwaye wo chiremu a sa nipa kuo no sabe omunyo man tamfo na mom ne dia nso obeye ne so de hye pa begu akwan so aboa ne nipa wodom nam kwati kwan so etu fuma agudi a ewom se omunya sika de nanso omo se oman Ghana yakwaye ne yensa ase no ode hye pa begu akwan wadim na ase na bona galamse no ni tuo no afri galamse abeye ekwanpa ye fa so tu fuma agudi na boa na oman Ghana nyina yakwaye ne afri se sabe ye tata ne angaza de hye ka se omo tu galamse ndi omo ye tamfo ti yenkum wo ma na Ghana da kyen ne hyebre ne di agronti Yama on enchram kwampa be fa so a eye Effum Agudom betu no kwampa so na bo na Ghana yakoye nim e wo mpuntum.
Taking bold steps to formalize the small-scale mining sector through initiatives such as the Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program, the Ghana Landscape Restoration and Small-Scale Mining Project. And as the Minister said, there are various initiatives underway. These initiatives aim to provide legal access to land, training, equipment, and shared infrastructure. We also will eliminate the use of mercury and supporting environmentally safe alternatives for mining. Let me be clear at this juncture. Artisanal miners are not enemies of the state. If properly trained and supported, they can be allies in our development. Working together with the small-scale mining sector, we will reclaim our forest reserves and restore the purity of our water bodies. Our river guards are working on clearing mining activities in our water bodies and on the banks of our rivers.
Any awoti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Yentua Kasiabone so na Ashanti Regional Chairman Edema MPP Amanyoko no Bernard Enchibosi akwa dodo na edi omode freno chairman wun to me application called them Koma High Court say omunye mpensempesemu emfanfa ni bill no ye biase na esifatie no say they were bombarding to me atria sign na ya de omoko file application wo High Court won knan kotoni ma bosome ne de to so aduasa won fimpimienu ne aduonu numnimu asese omatu ahye da de akwa benada aye ohoma bobosome ne de to so miensa won fimpimienu ene aduonu numnimu na ya de legal team no ebo modern the application omo twe application ne sign nedwada aye ohoma bobo so me ne de to so mienu won fimpi mienu ene aduonu nimu omo twen say ye betimi atom nsa de afre wom na chema wuntumi ekaseti 50 million Ghana cedis bill a iyokofo ebo modern edition so a de fa ne lawyer so chema ade abrusu ye papa intinkebe ya ka court emo modern no mo nya nhwehwemu bio emfemfa bill na omode man no when as I said the private legal practitioner Gary ni makon ne file application is said o metimi abomodin atwen assign eno achi na lead counsel and the appear could be edibetu jana ochemu say document o muhie ni na edema two sureties no ade as I said o metimi enya ni na ediama want na hu hia say niema na omde court ne crampo no so ebeba afaso na no ana omochemu ade na muhie amoa ede afrian kan Minister for Food and Agriculture Brian Champon on any nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ for kasa na Brian Champon ade nsɛm say ade tuja
of the properties, so we are going to go through the formalities. Everything should be fine. I mean, they just finished the inspection of the properties, so we just have to come, they check the values, and then we're good to go. A couple, some houses, normal. Yeah, some houses. No. I don't know what you call rich. I don't know what you call rich. I'm a normal person. Well,
so we are hoping that by the end of today,
God.
Enia wuti Kani Minister for Food and Agriculture Brian Champon.
Yantu akasiabone so ne yenyira mu kakra awa sentiment enu mu ankrefa sentiment emu eba chiremsem Ashanti Regional Branch the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association wadom kokwa pai edosombo abo Ministry of Health so mabo made atumi atenase akutia wonom efiri so matenase abopo ehwema hunisem wadom conditions of service ukwa akurase akwakoye adwuma se nurse ni doctor ni a emfaso ahode esa abane de ma ne sika ankra esa abane hye obotomu no so akwakoye tumi antu akwaya atwetan a mu kirem se nyade a omane mpanifo ko bankuruma kram ne kwayi kirem so munim de nti amekese no asahwe magana pomuden so etimi ato nsade afrom so mometenase na wonom ensin konwa na sebe ye kire ompeso mo ye no wonom entwe emfa ensensan na mekese no ekoni nkura batem makomako nan atwe mo ho de afiri ho kire se ye kire no enya de wo betumi akọ evise na nkene dwumbo so metaso mye na nkese ye kire no wonom ehye asense mu makomako ena atwe mu de afiri pebele bi sese na ba na se ne mpa bi a mo abo mutiri mu po se mo kwa ye kire na de Edward Mankwe, now could pay on Confanoti teaching hospital one Mukumasia. A month when you have bread, nice in Biaboko, Janse, coffee, frequency for me, himself, my dear. And a yen chede, o be a dasadi or Macanesan on Bayano, and your moon Tiobia, Namra, open no, a year first deputy chairman, Edema Ashante, Raya Region, one of Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, no. Then add the Philemon, the do Brempon, Cassan, which them say. Sadio Macan, Saba Pepe, or yet any the more Ben, Sabanyo Makuma, so beside them from Momo, pay a pa, Montesco Cordia Trabi Sabi. Bramo Brenham and your Muhuno, or Muntu Membre, a man to shower one penny for no Martinasia can or yet if you same. Abanada Shomobo, now so much China, dear Epa, or Penia Gazette, Marco Surgeon, Monaso, a chono mache, no more Boisaba Bonanas if one so, et Medina Massitrim, Ayate, or my ganem.
We are seeing that. You know, the labor law permits freedom of association, and we are having about 5 splinter groups. And the ministry is relying on these people. We don't know what has transpired between them, but from where I'm sitting, I can see that some people might have taken some bribe or taken money. That's why they are sabotaging us. Because what we are fighting for all nurses and midwives in this country. So if these unions are interested in the welfare of their members, why are not joining the strike? Because what we are fighting for is rural incentive allowance. Do they have their members in the rural areas? We are talking about 5% on-call facilitation. Are they having their members who will be on call? These are things that is very, very important. The uniform allowance, they are included in this. So why are they backtracking from the strike action? If they are not taking anything from them, are they in bed with the government? These are questions that we can pose, and they have to come out and answer. Why are they against the welfare of nurses and midwives in this country? It's something that I can't understand. JRNMA, we have over 100,000 nurses and midwives across the country with all allies, including rotational nurses, including student nurses. So you can see my colleagues are behind me. He is a district executive from Upper West. They are here. We are all gingered up to ensure that this strike is a success.
Any I would tell you no PM was sentiment anymore. Or no, and I am first deputy at the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. No, the day at the Philemon do Brempon and I would tell you. Nananso ebia kwaso PM na ko PM New Dwaben South. Omo chairman John Agyei. Ene yensem training continue kofi obo e do friend say kontie. Fa DLFM microphone ne bra na me promo me na Ghana fo nyina nte yenka efrise yenso ye dwaye pam. Opani kire mu abana na etwa mu no omo tena ase enye hye pese obeboa. Na omo ase trem condition of say bibia koyie pam mo dwumadu mu die no. Wono makọ mo kan pa nanso kire mu a abana da ne odigu ho no mo no anya adwuma. Nanso NDC aban ba ye dada na omuhumpuntu obi ane senti omaka se ekirem mo hwe aban yanim ekopem dwumbusuma yom da ta so nkron so man tehwe ya ombe ye oye kire titesikoko de akira be sabe omutumi nya adwuma mrehu na manesa na condition of service keke na aban na dwunse wontua de a ankomend ye besim no aban benu ne hu ye pa
nche yenche de kokko atoto yen sa ni nyina ni se eh nurse folk Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association yen condition of service yen aban atwam dada NPP aban agree every time agree they see and let say ni se nkombe implement aban DLFM up to now no implement my ama yen members mo nurse for the midwives no ejina yen so say more basic asem enkoye and anything this are you have to answer say they are about between implement my yen no abanya nkitahudi several times but akoye corner bra and echina sa enti empenyin for ahye say ye nyina kan hubu na ye start series of strike action and it's in the starting and ye start ye no ye start and any china ye bo edikojan ebobo yensa na ya adwuma free nkwada airport service ni service na very low ni na say yanti abaninka free 9 June ya be extend awards ni na yende ankade nyina beguo yenye adwuma bi kopemisa aban no betie no implement ye quantity of service amai
eni a uteko piemo ewa New Dwaben South eno no wa piem antemu a ono na ye chairman Edema Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association no Nedin John Agyei na man boy yensem training konte hene kofi obo ene different payment temu ebesom yen
Yentu akase bone so na Admo branch no we prayer mantemu edin chire pegu akwam sense yira ekoso ho no eyade on betimi abre na siniti true eni kofo yudue san se eyade ansu yiri no esen niema ewo honum ye papa na se ne be yon bebo mode atimi asi o ha ya no kwan na ye Eastern Regional Director Edman Admo eye kujo edupo editudwa na ochemu se eyade omabomode ye hwehwemu ahu biaye a eye nsu yiri atimi ekoso wo honom a eno nam so ma yetimemfo no efo ha bebremu so nsuo etimi eto a ana ochemu se okọ eye nsu kwao eye meyi lazongo eye Prince Boatin roundabout eye ada eni Koforidua District Business Center honom a eyade honom na nsu yiri etimi esi wo honom ye papa ntomone eye Eastern Regional Minister awate ebo modia etimi hia mu se ne be yon bedwendwen kwan yon betimi afa so etimi esi oha na no kwan ana ye rate awate di tudwa na ochem so beboa se ne be ya afiwe de nsu yiri entimi ense eye ompotem mu emfa emawom ana Nadmo director edi tudwa na ochem se excavators omoje edi free eye omo a omutu efom agudie no eye adom bebo modia de aye adwuma se ne be ya afiwe de nsu yiri entimi enkoso
to only suitable at Vincentiesi. The Dimano as Subrosa, at least a Diana Ton Abantino. DLFM. Dimasiasi, Ality, FD4, and Limpin for some way. Car Lodu near Madame Panson, say Neme Busson also say a big creative problem of Panswa, or Sema entity for 1 as a 40. The man go beyond that. But the Nima and suitable a Jato Babino, any fire service for a woman. Into Fania, Kofodia for no, and Seminar. If we are down at the bar, Mini Lazungo, at the Femwa, the bar, Sukawa, Prince Boatin, a Fahopo, what one more called double room, Miss Watson say, the shoe honey pie, Papa. So, no matter Roma, you buy, you know, say one is a different background. The boy service my party, Mark and Tim Cyrus, no, it's in here. The original minister, retire our tea, honorable. It is our swar, Sammy, or more among family, so to say, or machine back me, no be a region, or the my I did to choose you. According to so we had ECG4 way on regional office one. Ensure that was say at me at Timwa the apo. So far the MC workers and so boa Emmanuel Koso, the two directors are Omoha. Oba has swa workers are to Omoha. Omo my baby so macra because remember Ejeja Nema to say Nadmonaya has a job for the boys. The Nafra Juma or Pama. In I name my name and news what you say no be I so masonety because John Dramani Mahamas excellency. I catch it say the very Santa Ghana. Until one year ready so about me, I recite and just super baby. Send me a TV, Mimbajuma, Minquajuma, maybe supervising Yama, or some tranchain, no more meeting I and so bad.
Eni ya wuti ye Eastern Regional Director Edman Admo kujo edupo na manibo ye nsem chironi continue kofi obo ana edi free prayer mantemu edebae.
Yantu akase bono so ane ye monfa nwure ma so ye hwe anomde ana afisu ni ane ye di ekoye ni pandua mu huni se bibia da ho din aye noma na se ye di a enkonkofa tunsanso bone emfa emre yen eye Food and Drugs Authority. Eternity yakane se FDA for the kokobodi aba bonte echire misem ade biala tobacco for ene de aba omam se nipa enikwa ni padua mu no enya de pa ebedi se ne shisha ne gam ne ade ka ho no cigarette jot wonum bia wanhwe ni ya na wonkwa ena wode egura to prepam na daletam edema tobacco and afi substances ewo abuse division edema FDA ye Dr. Mrs. Olivia Jekum Boaten ya de kokobodi amagana for sem yanhwe hu ye pa afi se ne tobacco for na yom ho tinwi eye huntadua kira wo de ne bia ba bonten adura ho kama afefefem fidie ma dandan ne kira se wonum bia emphasis on boni bia mfa man so kirim se sebe wa nipa bibini na sabi o kwa akonom sigalet na wo sia yetum se kwisi esen de pa na wogino asase we so o kirim emwa wa hra na di agro enkyene wa bomode ato ya no monse do a emno ye kura ka se kirim se meburu ntitirumpo ena shisha pa wo kwa pap ne ade aba na kwabani enhwene mu wisie esene kwisi aye bonija adende na mojem wa kirim se Ghana mebu ne free na ekọ bibibiara tobacco fo na yare mo moden se motwem ho afunu visa mo di akira monkwana ena mutwa so.
There's no safe form of tobacco use. So we are talking to the youth because we have realized that the combustible one or the regular tobacco is no longer the trendy thing. What is trending are the vapes. They are vaping, they are doing the shishas, and we are telling them these are not reduced forms. There is actually no safe form of tobacco. Whether you sniff it, you inhale it, you chew it, if they are gums, they are all not safe. So they should desist from using all these products. Nicotine is very addictive. Once you start, you get hooked on it. Tobacco is actually a gateway to using all the hard drugs.
Near Woti and Uko Piemom, our FDA for Cachono, and your penny pa, or the letter, and our quantity for penny, Edema Tobacco and Substances, Abuse Division, Edema FDA, Nedane, Eddie, Dr. Mrs. Olivia, Ajekum, Boateng, and not what in career, and you know, we when you can come against any town, I am fan someone. We see what sharing live, Piaga Dibiaba, Mate, Piaga Medas, why? Wajenche na wode bana ya manyo asem da joka kan wa party headquarters me da say Kofi Parliament no chem se kase bone authentic news pa na mo enjoy news no live edi free agona bobi kuma app no chem se DLFM news dey in fact ye bo adwumade pa yenso ya da se Kofi we so every certain to bam no s Ghana man pani bo adwumade ye ntiga na bekọ nanim pa ya da se Dora ya Agyei Agyei no chirem se ne papa pa ye jem oh dear, I'm on Coach Isaac no him say kudos to DLFM news presenters. I see in fact news in here authentic news everywhere. Yeah, that's a pass se bono matimi I endorse the amay na Ghana ni yaba unche yo. So fana men so fana se me da woni. What about 30 seconds the time na so we ni monitor na yenko. Ni nyina ne say FDF fo abeka se chire mu a sa tobacco fo no de ba bonten no cigarette eni shisha na emranto ane maya no ukọ papa omugusu a omuhwene mu wisie no enya de pefri se wudi akira wonkwa na na wutwa so yi wote se mpanifo kan se me ne kwablane tumi kwa transport etumi twihihya ma ne hwene mu nyina se wisie kumo se bi kusi a ye de moko mesi wagu ni jam ebo ejam se pompon sa ma na pia wohu na sa na ma na aya na de na Ghana ne ye wo 0534050199 0593406565 yesu tobacco dwumade bi omudie no say ye shisha o say ye den cigarette oni nyina nye montwe mo fanfre hom madwo
ya ju ofa
we ya Dexon ba da ko droba echma du kroni
woni mi papa
champion we da se mentio
akura nyame sira oni adwuma pa bo makito mangana akura ye mu benim de wo nya enka ye ne ye mi se nya de pa na se wonga nya asisu gina ma ye de ya da won ase enya de pa if you say so she ye mebun pa no wo se bebe enu so wo to after that sika ko de beto de ndi kura ye ding
nanso beto
nanso na wa rent se shey na option enya de pa kwa nanso o me ne den nti wo mu ya ye mum na ne ye nyibia o meka mbo abonte ma ye da won ase
yenso ye da se pa senior madwo
wa fa
mama ni manjo ehye
pa ehye
ma yentio ni mremi wo fa asefo ne nsem na ba bio yentio
asem wo fa asefo de o mu ha adwene o
mo tete me pa
timi ho da se ni si egu nanum Edinton Brown ya rampo ni sai bin mo ko mo pa mu si twitwo na oda se ni esricha na so kasa
wu
nyase pa sa ba no nya bibi fa na wusie na do so mo se nko mo ho aka ho oda se ntimi fa sa blue yin sa radio se green no ogina ha sa traffic achi no traffic ekie no wa fo bi nto
me se me da se pa majo
yo me no
therefore we dey ni be aka se free
oh me me Nana Ekufuado me katapiku we ko no matu oyale ya mo kan dey right to food and drug o mo se men chi tobacco ni jot ni be ma o mo nja export na e ba to mu ano
okay
o mo nja export na e ba to mu ano na mmenu ano so o mo nya bi nto do ka di ni we ko ma o mbeto
okay oso onko mo ne mo hwam pa
nja di na enye maya mo mo pa mba bi
eno ano no
na mo amu de ade ne ba na yesu ye de sikato na mo ti ade ne nyema ya enti mu mpedi fa no mo bua ya na asa mo pese mo nkuye
ano ne asem no
yo me ka me wa me chibi
kafra enti shase se ujai why
enti o mu jai
okay
o ma fi amono no mba
mate enti ye be bom pa ye se mba but won so bo ho ban o mo de bana se wo so to no ma wo nkwa na ade dugu ato print bo ho ma din bia e beta we
mate o mpeke fa ye nkwa nto ato komto o mo export no ma ne ba se ye so ye ntondi
Mate. Nti penifo gusu etu ho na monti ombeja. Why?
Nti omunda munim sa de na enye mam bebu na. Mom ma de ne mba ye promo ha.
Mate me da CP senior.
Me da se.
All right. Me find my last caller na Kwame Effum atena se ne yenko akopama so nsem so 0534050199 0593406565 tobacco no shisha ne eyi sigalete ne yesi munyai majo.
Hello.
Me wa fa se udini ba bia kasa free.
Good evening.
Good evening. Udini ba bia kasa free.
Me patro me kasa free to my new town.
Udin.
Me patro me di Elizabeth.
Mama Lizzie mayentio.
Me patro ka me nku anka ye mampeni onye bibi mfa sa de we hu. Na so omo bandra. Ebe ye amaye pa ebi say ye mayo ne ni menti na omo di sa de we ese omo abrebo.
Okay.
Ube hu ba be sie pa na nu nsu enum sa ready bi. Ojina traffic light na wada. Inti se ka ba na wambo aban a. Na wa wo so no na che so ojina wada. Beka se de oda mpaso. Nti ye pa mo cho. Ye man pani enye bibi mfa no mbando sa de ne se de be ya. Yensu ye hu bet electory.
All right. Yensu ye da se pa baby adro no. Enya de aye betime afa afrefo ni biokra if se Kwame Effum aba betena se ode agopramaso nsema enka nsu no de ba beto aso ntitiwe me ba.
Football here a game for win and loss, but this is what to do normally. It's a game for unity, not divided. But say we Ghana football particular. Here na play football people, but who buy a come for a baku. If you know what I dare to say on Japan. Ena century forces so mumboye because of, excuse me to say, the solid no one person overcome and correct. Ube so bisa coach Kurana and yet coach John Mahama ono when football. Yes, Minana do or football. So ono Kurana or the Manua. But according to some people say they buy or football.
Okay.
So no football here. We are going to support him 100%. Also see him say the era when the ministers be nominated.
DL Power Sports.
Mama Watchman from DL 106.9 FM. Good year, Humre, a read a good year with some Ayabuano and Debro. Media Majiso de Kwame Effum. And some about one dorso. Ghana handsome, a Bibrim Hanum be ensem, and a Amanone ensem, and Ayabuano. Me and me did you may me did the Kwame Senamecano. Me name a Boafo, my Boafo. Apakan GH, the blessed king, the only king in DLFM. Meneno ene di jumedie ebrewo. Na ejumeku aboa yen kese anasa o maso echi ye pan echi ema ye di jumedie ebrewo Lumba in super daddy Lumba in so akofa aba. De aba ejaman so. Enu tupe bi ato enye den. For ni ejaman so na kope DL anasa daddy Lumba in super Lumba in super. Enu ni insu aba bi biara e kire se ekoyie na ye kama. Eti kame ho na me fa jumedi embro enyumre DL Power Sports na me shasa efrifie efise penifo se eni ba eko etire munti Ghana Premier League match day 33 eko so enra memenda ni efiada no na match sa etodwa enie Kumasi Asante Kotoko etine fie hyemiensa Midiama ehyemienu omentumi amfa Kotoko chi anka form Lagos Cities entumi anshebi Accra House of Folk ehyemienu Chelsea ehyemienu Baby any Gold Stars ehyemiensa Karela United ehyemiensa and Young Apostles entumi anshebi Accra Lions entumi anshebi sana Dreams FC so ehyemienu Samatex ehyemienu and Aduana FC ehyebako Heart of Lions ehyemienu and Bechem United ehyebako na insensem CC Ghana Premier League no efa Nations FC match na obo na meka se akofa nsem bebre ediaba enuti bank roller Dr. Kwame Che enti ya enya ne se waye na dwen se obeja Premier League ni ball efsan tawantawo bi a esi ewo ehono mo enuti ye hwe bebia nsem no ebekwa kwede ebekwa akowie mamifo league table no embro ewo Ghana Premier League na ohwe de odika Nations FC we ready kan after match day 33 no esan se tawantawa see no match ni ti ono no wabo 32 matches nemu over 60 points Dr. Sumienu aya bibia ni Gold Stars ono no wabo 33 matches or was ono so 60 points and with the Nations FC Echo born the 33rd match now. Owini ano oko 63 points. Atosu miensa eya Krobia Santi Kotoko. Wabo 33 matches or 58 points. The Atosu na eya Accra House of Folk. Accra House of Lions rather. Wabo 33 matches or 57 points. House of Folk the Phobia Bed about 33 matches or 55 points. And a Samatex about 33 matches. Or no so our 51 points. Midiama about 33 matches or 50 points. Dreams FC about 33 matches or 49 points. Bechem United about 33 matches or 44 points. Adriana Stars about 33 matches or 44 points. Vision FC about 33 matches or 42 points. Brekum Chelsea about 33 matches or 41 or not also 12. 18 Nations FC etosu omuno ready kind. Bibiani Gold Stars etosu mienu. Asante Kotokoto so miensa. Heart of Lions etoso enine. House of Folk etoso enum. And Samatex etoso ntiam. Uhwe omo wo na ewase ya won so a. Inso atrema ye ni enum so omo yi omo free against Esan Stamatawa esi ye ama pole owu eba ni nto omo free mu ento omo no omo da eto. Uhwe de otoso dunsun eye Lagos Cities. We bought 33 matches or 25 points. Accra Lions etoso edunsia. We bought 33 matches or 35 points. And Holy Stars, Baseke Holy Stars, etosu dunum, we bought 32 matches or 38 points. And I made every one. Yamorem, our CAF Champions League in Swa. Now, what you in a CAF Champions League final and eba in there, the bar no pyramids, and a crew one. Almost share my Melody Sundowns, Mienu Emma, Sundowns, Eximu Bako, and only and Koma Ewaho. Yamorem, our Black Stars are swear, Uberem, our Black Stars are swear, Ghana superstar. Kudus Mohammed Nasem enamidi tuja ediamawi enkra abane se West Ham United ayomanje so meton Kudus Mohammed na de no moton no omo chese Premier League course 2024-2025 league no Kudus emodibo echo form kanena Kudus oba odi agro ose goals oye assist nemum 2024-2025 league Premier League matches we there Kudus ehu niema so kwe enfamo enu ti no e wasa omuton Kudus na omudi generate sika na team ne tumi fa young players e de bemu na coach ana training e friend Grand Porter dia tudwa se emre wedu se Kudus ebeko nenim na wakakọ boma team fufro e wi se ahoɔden ana se Kenya odi remu abrofi Ayas eba no ena enya nu na omuhuin enti penifo dia tudwa se offer kese bi ba Kudus ebe free West Ham United na clubs ana se teams a edi Kudus echi Liverpool Arsenal and our Saudi so clubs edinichi. Yeah, shese sa teams papa se betumi ato Kudus a me de lafe mu de anka nyayanko Uncle Liverpool and say Arsenal. Nemom Kudus this season about 35 games. Also 5 goals and normal 4 assists. It will compare Emra Kudus every Ayas Eba. Also 15-14 goals. Na Oma 9 assists. Which example naso ban prempra make say there. Kudus a modern echo from bebre. Miriam ewo Unity Kappa Blasters echo PMU ewa manona London aso yenso anamanonia. Coach ana training otu ado dia tuja se. Young players are power mo na so free omo. Coach Otuado na kofidi na to so Facebook live into betumi aba abehwe young players are coach Otuado power no players ni mu bi ebo modern papa enu to hwe anim se sa players we de ne ni be come ho obema ne ni edi omachi na watene omo se ne ba September Ghana our World Cup qualifiers Mali any Chad eda enim ayebo enu ti sa young players we de obema make sure say ombenya playing time no more Mohamed Fuseni Lawrence Yirechi and a Christopher Bambusu munyi eye players are coach Otuado edi atuja se obe make sure so be mo chance and as a playing time so munya kwenya na so mba September call up na obe tumi ni o makasa no me tumi gire me diagro efisa Unity Cup e course no mbo mo modern Ghana HH Trinidad and Tobago ehia pori and 9 a omo tumi ensimu adabraka na players are me bubo me di Fuseni Muhammadi and Lawrence Yerechi mu nyina eye players omu di agro ehia go de ma Ghana eti Otuado chese obenya emre e de amasa players se na be adachian kwamba no omeboa Ghana na yetumi afa entuma pae dem Efra Christopher Bambusu eye Blasters player the new chaff player fufuro wabemu na wa the asem atuja ne picture and a Kofi Taylor ede atosunum na de no ka ose akwanya kese onyaye your friend Black Stars obaye no aboa ne papa other supporters ase other playing body ni so ase na other otu adon so ase adentia o kire se opportunity edimo na Black Stars no amewi ase nyina hu sampa onu so di agro se fata se oba Black Stars camp mu na money bo beda ni dru otu adon so confirm se Christopher Babos a player was a Dachi bia Ghana enikono ho or your attacking midfielder obetumi another striker obetumi aboa ama Ghana akonenim enu te Christopher Bonsu kira na niji sem nyina ne se wetumi aba Blaster abebobo aye ade papa obobo de ma KRC Genk e wo Belgium Pro League ni mu o se 3 goals anoma 4 assists Edema Belgium about 38 matches eno no enkika na sensema efri ehoba na ebobo re e wo UEFA Champions League ni mu na ni apakan GH ebekasa enche bia na yahwe matches no de ekoso match a ebas Alliance Arena no so no UEFA Champions League abaso na PSG Paris Saint-Germain omutumre echi Inter Milan enmumu no 5-0 edege Champions League no for the first time in history. Eti France eyede eti enche ekwa homa no so na ene yanamosini. Hello
Kwame.
Hello
Kwame.
Hello
Wofa Kwame.
Abaka to me kan.
Umecho nkapa.
Abaka Champions League abaso na wochi wiye.
Well, bra Kwame mame na wase na minchi anye tiefo nyina na nwumre ya odl 106.9. Sana okano bra Kwame na wotwi UEFA Champions League ne baso na Africa so the CAF Champions League ne so no baso inti snappy on it no. Kwame mention some from the UEFA Champions League na ubisa me wan asem no. Saturday was Alliance Arena ewo Munich Germany ayin kuro no. Game na ni nyina ye twen animu no eba so and Saturday ye tena so di power sports so ye kan win sem bebre predictions awodo ankrofo predicting nyina Kwame obi aniwa o expect say game ni be kwa wie no na PSG tumi ahye Inter Milan by 5-0. Yeah. It was shocking result obi ananwe oda. Kwame proud to the game say o share two teams ni nyina no Monday mo anoma done the season with the UEFA Champions League. Normal self at some bedu baby omedune and UEFA Champions League, you know, na these two teams are performing here. Domestically, you know, they did well. Into Inter Milan at some point in time now he was competing for the Scudetto. It take his last game and Napoli to major league, you know, at the feelings and that same performance and not translating it about UEFA Champions League. In the semi-final, a difficult game. Our boy against Barcelona put up that spectacular performance. Barcelona team. PSG on the other side. BBS is so winning. We're winning in the UEFA Champions League. So Kwame, Osha Modemana PSG, Edan Edina also beating the likes of Liverpool and all form. And one if you and obey other teams. Eddie Fima. The semi-final Obeshia Arsenal. Now we to make almighty Real Madrid, the defending champion, the owners of the UEFA Champions League, the most successful club, Real Madrid, Arsenal, Unifim, against PSG, and it's very difficult. But PSG, Juman simple, Arsenal will be a young film. So we share two teams now, which are final Kwame. No money, mono, I was Louis Pa, and yeah, the game, so no, from the first minute, Nina. PSG stress indeed they want to win and the Osha Adiaba a team a year friend or a Inter Milan. I think the Inter Milan midfielder no Momo the Hakan can no grow no money there. Looking at the age of Inter Milan or midfielders, you know, compared to Vitinha no money there no, now they were going to struggle. So on the day no team a year friend or a Inter Milan midfielder of Henrik Mkhitaryan Hakan can no grow Nico Barrano. They were totally off against João Neves, Vitinha, and Fabian Ruiz. And we share the PSG squad now, youthful, Omo Fabian Ruiz, no Vitinha, more Ashraf Hakimi. So, the energy, and it me overcome it, my friend PSG 4. And PSG 4, say, Inter Milan, so I'm board a physical game now. To me, because Italy for the energetic game. Physically and then also to me one to so then yan fa born into from yan possess yenya ball na 1-2 quick pass near duomo 18 balls no near kopegu ase and omo players no omo fie no so e ba na Americana omo ntumi ne yenko they will rely on experience and they will rely on energy which is Inter Milan. So yam PSG for no yam fa ball into fam yam pass yam fa ball into America and they will struggle and Luis Enrique bra Kwame one the PSG team ne ya omo tumi chi bobo kwa fan Inter Milan shown by 5-0 a result Obian expected and Yambo Luis Enrique Abaso Otanase STD Inter Milan team who say team players in few throw and almost rely on experience any energy into me kwe men woman kobono a 2-2 say medin so many and one din question ni amen yan say me use me youthful exuberance no me nya ball na 1-2-3 quick pass na me do mo 18 balls no na me kopegu a share no mo ye ya Tima FN Inter Milan and me am finding antidote to it 5-0 no more and recently this kind of result in the UEFA Champions League the likes of Real Madrid beating Atletico Madrid 4-1 Juventus 4-1 yeah but say team B team the UEFA Champions final 5 they Kwame of late be that but Inter Milan and Etumiama PSG against them so all in all no a one-sided game Inter Milan am game na from the blast of the whistle to the last game they didn't put up a fight PSG for they put up a fight and PSG for antidote no which is yamfa ball into America 1-2 quick pass yendu omo 18 balls yanko pegu nhyano Inter Milan for na nyan we draw na ma game ni so easy edema team a friend PSG now since Qatar investors no black am on be for PSG omo ni so ade hunu nyina ne say number champions so at some point in time normal signing David Beckham, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Ronaldinho, Neymar, Messi, Kylian Mbappe, all these players in DLFM. And they decided say the Galacticos say yes sign big players, Sergio Ramos and players I can see in Aba. You to me in JD, young for Luis Ocampos as sporting director. Luis Ocampos ban was it Yes, science our players I can see in him. Young Kofan Kwala more talent now or winning born teamwork, cohesion, understanding, bonding because that name Messi name Mbappe no yet one more no be a felese or a big boy
DLFM 106.9
team bonding cohesion in your and
hello
omuyi
Apakan yamri ninti yan trying to na yan sorry so
okay enti Kwame made man no sin I think the PSG for strategy na almost sans almost fan kwala ba no eno na ye adwuma de amam so Yambo Luis Ocampos about sporting director ultimate sa adwene ba na sa Kalafi G2 omokofa Luis Enrique ba no aye adwuma since on beji team no Champions League no mo person omoje and finally omaji so Yambo ma ba so omaji treble domestically competitions omaji and on my beji UEFA Champions League na dia so Yambo ma ba so they deserve it from day one. Ball on my bone no the Agyei Champions League no yambo ma ba so they deserve it na yambo pyramid so abaso almost Agyei CAF Champions League no against Mamelodi Sundowns almost almost project in pyramid there no it say PSG there na UAE United Arab Emirates almost can be and abefa team no this cash team no ma opeso Agyei Champions League 2019-2020 season almost Confederation Cup elusi against RS Berkane and this time almost final in the CAF Champions against Mamelodi Sundowns no to me so yambo mama so no more very good team facing Mayere no Blati Toure no any a lot of quality players ewo mu team so me anya mama so mu to me share Mamelodi Sundowns so yambo eye pyramid so abaso so mo so Agyei CAF Champions in Africa and this year nankasa no aye year of first timers teams are almost trophy a channel Obia LGB, that's how it has been. So, we're winning in a PSG and a pyramid. Kwame, Yambo Mabaso.
Yo, Apakan, wait there, you better was Yami Insha Baby Awubia.
Amen, Medasiminia.
Yo, me co host Apakan G, oh, the blessed king, and I was in Kano. Now, the Midi to me, Brony say, Uberemo La Liga and Swa. Coach of the season, Ako Ediama La Liga, a Barcelona coach, Hans Flick. Wafa coach of the season Ushema matcha akani nyina ukambo mo enkwesiaga Barcelona afa league na wo ho enti Hans Flick abaya coach of the season ediama La Liga no enti ha na menu ebesie emre na wie duru meko back to studio B Sammy
Effum.
Yeah, Apakan Blessed King and
when you pano Alliance Sports Stadium no bono oko heavy.
According to Blessed King ono ye king into to meet in Ghana. I share bibia we are see yeah.
Oba to me fia.
I will fear her home.
Oba to me fia.
Abusuya
me Andra Nation subsidy and almost say akwajeta. Yeah, almost say we finish Japan net no mo dimrika. A free park and to say mobile. Some can has a Kotokoni a House of Lions. And as you see a mobile. And I'm watching born Kotoko see a mobile. I almost Mako Yebino. Oh, sir, bank ruler out that Nations FC. Dr. Kwame was it? In Tia Yan say, I alleged say one shot or chin who free. On to mention Premier League on them or more. What I say, on to mention one process and send a poly assembly. Me am office meeting for Dr. Che office office kuma obebo Kwame Effum ya da se ya
but o midi ameji so de Kwame Effum agona PSC nana or therefore boo and post him nana me baba
me da sipi Kwame Effum ya me nhira na puti prun kra bia to me fa ntwam taw na ye nsore na ye nkoye ba bi
DL News
DLFM breaking news. DLFM breaking news.
Putipru enkra abeto DL kasebo pronso hrim say OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor me wafa asikuma kisi ajaben edenkrata ababonten so hrim am akane omaiga na photo samfo Ken Ofoliata wasan declare no wanted bill se efri na ekọ baby abehia ni bia no Ghana fo hia den every second Ofoliata den krata abasa ne homfa nanso so onye ntum entiene wa mepie ma wa kwagina emra na mra to na no de kisia jabe kiremu akane Ofoliata wasan wanya wanted tibewu abehu ni bia na fa na bra na o kiremu am Kane Ofoliata yi empenifo no wo no e obubu oboso me na toso enson enfempem donkron ene eduonum wotwe 7th November 1958 ne Kane Ofoliata na papa na mame etna se wonya finhia na adusiansia 66 years na ne gender na ye bema we ye bema na ni aba nso kirem se ye tuntum na afenso ni triwi nso ye tuntum na mu kirem a na husuo no ye brown skin ne color na ye brown te se me wofa asikuma yi de yibi na mo sire se bia wo hye pa no United States obetumi ahye ho na afenso United Kingdom anase Hong Kong South Africa ne memia hodo bi e kan no mususu se Ofoliata otete ho ne monti koso ne dua na fa na bra Ghana na mpenfo ko gyan man na sika fa na to ase a Ghana ya boka no yenje mpenfo se wa ye ne ho popo ya omade afre mpenfo amatrufu esi na baji sika dwete na fa gu botom ti we de adwuma na abai kofitere betene ho agunu manya sika kwadi wachi 055 4494 499 kiseja bense frɛ no ana sɛ 0554 484 488 nti wani putupru nkra every office of the special prosecutor kiseja ben so ya ɔde bra ne mrɛ yɛde mo nkyerɛ mo ɛsommo
DLFM breaking news.
Kasiaboni ya dia si emusemufo ne ya maze meberantwe se mo ede ema yen champion detailer the nations MC ede ekopie mo wo Facebook no so YouTube and TikTok makasiabo no winya humfoni any videos ahodo nyina ehwe jam DJ Zigby senior technician on duty tima firi no fruma ede sum ya numrei akenkanfo ye sinkodwa besem on the jam je so ya takwade kodwokrom twabe gode hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi menim wofa seba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
ma hoteli ne yeden
ehunso
papa no yes so hwan na eba
DJ Zigby
ode de na eba awoso enti na oba wo so ho pa eba mu nyina mu anitia adehye
Mami ade